Welcome to Vital Longevity. Hey there, fellow foodies. Today, we're diving into a very important question. What's the best oil to cook with? Choosing the oil can turn your dishes from me to wow and keep you healthy too. So grab your spatula and let's count down the top 5 oils to cook with. Coming in at number 5, we've got ghee, also known as clarified butter. Ghee is like that friend who's traveled the world and now speaks 5 languages fluently. It's got a rich, nutty flavor that makes your food taste like it came straight from a Michelin star restaurant. Plus, it's got a high smoke point, so you can saute, roast, and even fry without worry. Sliding into number 4 is coconut oil, the beach bum of the oil world. This stuff is practically sunshine in a jar. Not only does it give your dishes a subtle tropical twist, but it's also packed with healthy fats that are said to be easier to burn off. Just keep in mind, coconut oil solidifies at room temperature, so if your kitchen's a bit cool, it can be tough to get out of the jar. Number 3, olive oil. This is the oil that's been around the block a few times and is still everyone's favorite. It's like that classic movie you can watch over and over again and still love. Whether you're drizzling it over a salad, sautéing some veggies, or just dipping your bread in it, olive oil's got you covered. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants and healthy fats that are great for your heart. Just don't take it too high. Olive oil prefers the low and slow approach to cooking. Coming in hot at number 2 is sesame oil, the flavor bomb of the oil world. This oil is like that friend who always has the best party stories, packed with flavor and a little bit mysterious. Whether you're making a stir-fry, dressing up a salad, or just adding a finishing touch, sesame oil brings that nutty, toasty flavor that makes your taste buds do a happy dance. Remember, a little goes a long way, so don't get too heavy-handed unless you want your food to taste like a sesame seed explosion. And finally, in the top spot, we have avocado oil. That's right, the green giant of the oil world takes the crown. Why? Because avocado oil is like the superhero of cooking oils. It's got a super high smoke point, so it's perfect for all your high heat cooking needs. Whether you're frying, grilling, or roasting, avocado oil is up for the challenge. Plus, it's packed with healthy fats and vitamin E, so it's as good for your body as it is for your food. And the best part? It's got a mild, neutral flavor, so it won't steal the show from your star ingredients. So there you have it, the top 5 cooking oils ranked and ready to make your dishes shine. Next time you're in the kitchen, give these oils a try and see which one becomes your new favorite. Have an oil you swear by? Drop it in the comments below. Let's see if we missed any gems. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe.